Ever wondered how it would feel to sleep in a castle, a lighthouse, or perhaps an old monastery? Historical sites aren't just confined to history books anymore. They are now luxurious accommodations that offer an awe-inspiring blend of the past and present, providing a unique travel experience like no other. Our journey begins centuries ago, when these historical sites were first constructed. They were not meant to house weary travelers, but to serve significant purposes. Castles were built as fortified residences for nobility, lighthouses to guide sailors, and monasteries for religious communities. As time passed, many of these sites fell into disuse or were abandoned. Some were even on the brink of destruction. But rather than letting these architectural gems crumble into oblivion, visionaries saw an opportunity to breathe new life into them. They undertook painstaking restoration processes to preserve the historical integrity while introducing modern comforts, thus beginning their transformation into luxury accommodations. In the late 20th century, the trend of converting historical sites into luxury accommodations began to gain momentum. The world saw a rise in heritage tourism, where travelers sought authentic experiences that connected them with history. This trend provided the perfect platform for these transformations, and the once forgotten sites began to flourish once again. This transformation process is not a simple one. It involves carefully balancing the preservation of historical elements with the introduction of modern amenities. Architects and designers need to work meticulously to ensure that the original character and charm of the site are not lost in the process. The result is a seamless blend of history and luxury, offering a unique experience that modern hotels simply cannot match. Take, for instance, castles. These grand structures, once home to nobility, are now luxury accommodations offering lavish suites, gourmet dining, and even spa services. Yet they retain their historical charm with original architecture, antique furnishings, and sprawling gardens. Then there are lighthouses, unique accommodations that offer panoramic ocean views, cozy interiors, and a sense of solitude. Despite their modern comforts, they still serve their original purpose, and guests can often participate in the lighting ceremony, a nod to the lighthouse's historical function. Monasteries, too, have found a new lease on life. The serene and spiritual atmosphere of these sites has been preserved, providing a peaceful retreat for guests. They offer modern rooms, fine dining, and wellness treatments, all while maintaining their original architectural features and tranquil ambience. In summary, the transformation of historical sites into luxury accommodations is a testament to the power of preservation and innovation. It allows us to step back in time, immersing ourselves in history while enjoying the comforts of modern luxury. From castles to lighthouses to monasteries, these sites offer unique travel experiences that are as rich in history as they are in luxury. They remind us that history is not just something to be read in books, but to be lived, felt, and experienced.